Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 26 BHC. I think that Keystone did a really great job putting their own twist on your classic bunkhouse floor plan. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think about the unit in the comments down below, and I will link all of our social media in the description below as well in case you want to check those out. Starting off on the outside, you've got a little over 30-foot long unit. All new 2026 graphics on the outside of the seamless laminated Thelon exterior. That just helps this unit be more scratch resistant and overall more durable. Up front here, you've got your first pass-through storage compartment. Overall, really a nice fit and finish in that storage compartment. You're not seeing a lot of exposed wires and things like that. Around front here, you've got your propane storage as well as your electric ton jack. They also do have the front plated protection there just so that your unit doesn't get all scratched up and stuff from travel and road debris. Around back here is where you'll find the other side of your pass-through storage compartment. Little bit of a smaller door on this side, but it's just to make room for that tankless water heater that you'll see right next to it. You'll also find your inverter prep and your future solar charge controller on this side of the pass-through storage, just in case you wanted to add solar later on. Again, you've got your tankless gas water heater on this side, and down below you've got your enclosed underbelly, and on this unit it does come with 4 manual stab jacks, keeps this thing nice and stable. You've got a singular slide on this unit as well. Coming around to the off-door side rear corner is where you'll find your third exterior storage compartment and your shore power connect. This unit will run off of 30 amp shore power, and it comes with a detachable power cord. This storage compartment does go straight into the unit. It goes underneath the bunks in the back, which is always nice because it just gives you that added extra storage. Around back is where you'll find your spare tire and your rear camera prep. This unit does not come with a ladder, but the roof is fully walkable, which is important because some manufacturers recommend to get up on the roof and check your seals every 90 to 100 days. Coming back around front, I want to mention that all of the windows on this unit are tinted safety glass, and you'll also find your exterior shower right up front here by the doors, which is always nice. Of course, you've also got a nice long 21-foot power awning on your campsite, which is going to keep you nice and cool and shaded from that hot summer sun when you're out camping. Another major upgrade for this unit is that they are no longer having those super heavy flip down steps. Instead, they moved it to more of a composite plastic step, which is lighter but still very durable. Heading inside, we are stepping into a very wide open bunkhouse floor plan. You've got lots of places to sit, lots of places to sleep in this unit, and a ton of storage. As you can see here, we've got a nice jackknife sofa with storage underneath. The benefits of having a jackknife sofa in a more smaller slash mid-sized unit meant for families is that if the weather's bad, you're going to have plenty of space for your family to sit and spread out so you're not all sort of cramped on top of each other while you're waiting out the storm. And like I said, plenty of extra space for sleeping. That also goes for this booth style dinette. It folds down into a bed for some extra sleeping space, and of course it has a ton of extra storage underneath each of the booth seats. It's also worth mentioning that the slide box in this unit is very tall, so you're not going to worry about bumping your head. And it's a flush floor slide, so you don't have to step up into it and worry about tripping and all that stuff. Next to the dinette, you also have USB charging there in case you wanted to sit there and charge your phone and things. Moving on, I really like this aspect of this unit. You've got these steps that also come with the cube style storage. The steps then go up to the top bunk, so you don't have to worry about dragging around an extra ladder, and it's really maximizing this functional space and allowing you to have more storage as well. Each of the bunks have a 300-pound weight rating, so you can easily fit an adult, 2 kids, whoever you need to fit on there. And again, you've got the storage underneath, just another added extra space for you. Next to the bunk rooms, you've got your nice large door side bathroom with the exterior door heading outside. The exterior door is just another really nice touch. Then you don't have to worry about your guests and your kids tracking mud and grass and things all throughout your camper just to get to the bathroom. You can easily just come in and out straight from outside. In the bathroom, you've got your nice large shower, super tall shower as well, and you've got your skylight in there to really brighten up the whole room. Next to that, you find your tankless water heater control as well as some extra hooks just to hang your towels and things. And of course, you've got your vanity, your sink, your under the sink storage, and your plastic foot flush toilet is also in this bathroom as well. Overall, I'm very impressed with the size of the bathroom in this unit. Sometimes you can get those really cramped bathrooms, but this one, honestly, it feels very open and very spacious. Next to the bathroom, you've got your kitchen, and this is where you'll find your pantry storage. You've got two nice large pantry cabinets here. You've got residential hidden hinges on all the cabinets in this unit, and of course your hardwood cabinet door frames, which combined with the hinges will really just allow this unit to have the most sturdy cabinets possible. Next to that, you've got your 12-volt fridge here. Lots of space for all your food for your whole family. And I'm also very impressed with the size of the kitchen counter space in this unit. You've got a ton of counter space that you almost definitely wouldn't find in another unit this size. Cooking appliances include your 2-burner stovetop and your microwave. And I'll admit I didn't show it very well, but you also have a large doorside campside kitchen window, which is perfect, especially if you're standing there cooking, doing dishes, and things like that. You can see where all the kids are at and everything that's going on outside. You've got tons of overhead cabinet space, and you've also got some nice under the sink storage space, drawer space, and things like that. The counters in the kitchen are also seamless, so then you're not having to worry about your trim bubbling or water damage or anything like that. The drawers in the kitchen you can also pull out entirely, which is always nice because then you're not having to reach all the way back trying to find something when the drawer only pulls halfway out. You will also find your entertainment system or your TV above the kitchen counter, so you're going to have a nice large space for your smart TV in here as well. And you've got a 13.5K BTU AC in this unit. It is central AC, so it's going to keep this thing nice and cool. Before we head into the bedroom, I'll show you the monitor panel. This is where you'll find your slide and awning controls as well as your tank monitoring system. And this unit also does come with a little complimentary bottle opener that stays right there on the wall, so you don't have to worry about taking one and leaving it somewhere, losing it, whatever. Alright, you've got a front bedroom here with some nice barn-style sliding doors that'll really give you some privacy from the rest of the camper if you need it. This unit comes with a queen island bed. And of course, you've got your standard bedroom storage up front here. This is where you'll find you've got two ward/closet style cabinets on the side, and of course, your bedside table with USB and outlet charging. We've got some nice open overhead storage there, and you also have a TV bracket location, so you can throw a TV in the bedroom if you want. And under the bed storage, of course. Okay, so that was the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 26 BHC. Overall, a very functional and open designed floor plan. It's going to be great for your family and it's built to last. This unit is available now at premierrv.com, so if you're interested in it or you have more questions, please feel free to visit our website in the description down below or give us a call at the number in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.